someone uri kugatsoro nyina
omurukiko rubiro munintunga mukando rubiro rutebekanisibwa ba Technoserve kurabira mu nkore ya Horticulture Market Acceleration Project Hotmap kishanjurwe ngo amataka gamombyanga bya Kisoro Rwanda ntungamo kanungo hamwe n'akabare ngateganisibwa habwo kuvurwa rwezo rukumara.
And we identify that farmers have to apply some nutrients and also have to apply both organic and inorganic nutrients.
Understand the three elements of how our soil health is for the soils that we are working in, how the air is, carbon footprint, how much emissions we are putting out in the air, and what the water level tables are.
Aha mukoro nugwo gumwe hagambirwe na mwe birujuro mu kucondoza okozerwa ha mihingiro mbyangevi.
The major vegetables that people grow were cabbages, tomatoes and onions. The major fruits that people were engaged in were passion fruits and pineapples.
Itaka ryanuburamu nitrogen ekingwa cyawe kitandika kuba yero iba biryo na kutandikira hansi bikuzahirwa uniform yero. Rero kwashanga kingwa kikuba yero kutandikira mu rubaju rwiba bwo yero mwene kutandikira mu rubaju rwiba yero kuzarwa hagati yiba icyo kikoreka ngo potassium mu itaka ryawe kozireki ni nke munongo. Rero kwashanga kingwa kikuba papo wishinga kwenda kushaka sweta yo kumwana wanje azo mwetwa pejo ni atandikira kahibura hati kuyiba biri kushuma kono ejonero phosphorus nyeru barebura kahi mwitaka rya
Enkore ya Hotmap neshajwa embassy y'ihanga rya Netherlands zo mu Uganda Wageningen University and Research hamwe na Bid Capital Partners. Amakuraga gashakwa Job Namanya